Are you having trouble keeping up with the latest updates on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you exactly how to update your device quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap General. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Software Update. Go ahead and tap on that. So now if you have any new software updates for your iPhone, they will show up here. As you can see, I have an update available and I can update my iPhone to iOS 16.4. To get this new update, follow these steps. Simply tap where it says Download and Install, and then enter the passcode of your iPhone. And it will start to download the latest iOS update onto your phone. Once this has finished downloading, you can just install it from this exact page. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.